Hey everyone, how's it going? Thanks for stopping by my channel. I'm Danielle LaRocca and I'm here to talk to you. So today I thought it would be fun to do a look with the Zulu palette from Juvia's place. I have actually had this palette for a while and I don't know why I haven't made a video with it. So if you want to see the look that we create today with the Zulu palette, then go ahead and stay tuned. Before we dive into this awesome palette, I just wanted to say hello and thank you for stopping by my channel. Really means a lot to me that you found it. Don't know how you did, but you're here. That's all that matters. And let's go ahead and get started. I'm actually going to do my face first and then I will come back and then we will get started in the palette. Okay, I'm back. So I did my face and I primed my eyes. So I'm gonna zoom you in and then we're gonna get started on the look. So I really like all the colors in this palette. I usually will do a look like, you know, this, or I'll do a green look, or I'll do like a purple and pink look. I like to kind of go down the rows, but let's just kind of play around today and see what we can come up with. Let's take this pink shade and I'm gonna put that in my crease. And then I'm gonna go in with a fluffy, brush, and I'm just gonna blend it all out. Settling in, settling down, falling in love, not falling out. I keep on falling in. I think next I'm gonna take this yellow color right up here. It looks kind of darker on camera, but it's actually quite light and vibrant. Kind of weird, but I'm gonna take that yellow and I'm gonna put it on my lid. Okay, next I want to take this purple shade and I'm gonna put that in my corner as well, and we're gonna kind of blend it out. Yeah. Both called it from the beginning. Called it. Knew that the right to be nice. So you're kind of gonna get the product like up into your, right under your brow bone, just kind of push it in there and pack it in. And then we're gonna take that same fluffy brush that we used to blend out the pink, and we're gonna do that for the purple. So it's kind of like a pink and purple smoky eye. Next, we're gonna take, let's take this light aqua shade and we're gonna put that in the inner corner, going kind of halfway on our bottom lashes. I love you better today than yesterday. Every day is gonna play out the same. And then we're gonna take this green and we're going to go on the outer part of the bottom lashes. Okay, so now I am going to go off camera. I'm gonna do my mascara, my eyebrows, my eyeliner, all that good stuff, and then I will be right back to show you the finished look. So this is the finished look of the Zulu palette from Juvia's place. I don't know why I haven't used this on my channel yet. It's super weird. I mean, I use this palette all the time, but I realized I didn't have a video for it. So just wanted to do that today for you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you like what you see, please give me a thumbs up, and I would love to hear your guys' comments. Please comment down below. I always respond back. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. You can easily subscribe to my channel when my face pops up here down below. Don't forget to check out my other videos on the sides. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Bye.